Hello everyone and welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie and today I want to share with you my project using the Seaside paper collection from Close to My Heart, where I've used both the Scrapbooking Workshop kit and I elevated the artwork with some simple Cricut cuts. So let's take a look at this paper collection before I show you the completed artwork. This here was my inspiration, or my obsession, I should say. I really wanted to save some of this paper so that I could highlight this beautiful backing to it. In the original layout, this was the base page, and I just wanted to show off this really pretty pattern paper right here. These two papers here, again, this was used as a base page and I wanted to be able to use it as a double page layout. And you've got this beautiful paper collection as well. So this one here, again, both of these papers were used as the base page and I absolutely wanted to show off these beautiful stripes. I really, really love these colors. The color combination is to die for. So let's dive right in. So first and foremost, yes, I did use the Scrapbooking Workshop and I changed it up a tiny little bit. I added a few Cricut cuts and all of the layouts have been done as double page layouts because I know so many of you love to create double page layouts, and I thought that I would kind of change it up so that you would have that. So this is my first layout, and as you can see here, I used a lot of the die cuts and the stickers, and I kind of worked them throughout both of these pages. I even changed up a little bit of this title, and these little red acrylic pieces, which are unique to the scrapbooking kit, are beautiful. I really, really like them. I also did a few of these, and this is my first time doing this, and I can see why everybody loves it. I think I've been inspired by both Erin and Allison. They use this on a lot of their scrapbooking pages. So what I did here, I went into my stash, and this is twine. It's just the Mink twine, which was perfect because it's the color that is used in this collection. Now I separated all of this into single little threads, and I kind of messed it all up and added it to my layouts here, and I really liked it. Gives it that really nice beachy feel. I really like how that turned out. So this is layout number one, and then layout number two here. So let's talk about layout number two. Originally, again, this was a single page layout, and it was this side here. So what I did here, once again, is I kind of separated out all of the stickers and all of the die cuts, and I kind of walked them through and add them on this side. So on this page here, these were supposed to go down onto this corner. By kind of separating the Cricut cuts and the die cuts and the stickers, it really does look like it was meant to be all along. This was meant to be a double page layout. So I really liked how this turned out. So project number three. Now this one here was originally a double page layout, and I really liked the way that it was showed off, but it was hiding this element a little bit too much for me. This is a really nice die cut, and I wanted to add my picture underneath, not on top. So in order to achieve that, I cut a few of those really pretty wave borders and I added them at the bottom. So when I sneak my picture underneath later on, you're not going to have a blank space. I was also inspired by the circle, and this is where you see you've got additional places here to put a 4x4 photo, a 3x3 photo, and then these elements were all welded and sliced into one big piece. So this all comes together at the top and at the bottom, and I really like how this turned out as well. Now the last one here was part of the original obsession, I must say, and this is where I absolutely wanted to save some of the paper in this collection. So instead of using this as a a base page, I decided to use the Sapphire cardstock, cut this down so that I could use the backside, which is the really pretty red with the little anchors throughout. Well, actually, I used it on layout number 1. So I'm hoping that you like my rework, if you want, of this workshop. If you're interested in getting additional information on how to put it together, I will link this below in the description. And I'm hoping that you're enjoying. A lot of people are posting a lot of artwork because I think we're stuck at home. So please stay healthy and stay crafting, and come back to my channel. Make sure to click that gray bell so that you will receive notifications when I post projects. Again, stay healthy, ladies. Have a great day.